Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 21st, 2024, and we're diving into some fascinating developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, we have an intriguing initiative from Balaji Srinivasan, a well-known figure in the crypto and tech spheres. He's launching a 3-month pop-up city in Singapore called the Network School, running from September 23rd to December 23rd, 2024. This venture is inspired by his book, The Network State, and aims to redefine societal organization using cutting-edge technologies like cryptocurrencies and AI. The school focuses on 4 pillars: learn, burn, earn, and fun. Students will tackle daily challenges to earn crypto credentials as NFTs, creating a crypto resume. The burn aspect, developed with anti-aging advocate Brian Johnson, offers personalized fitness and wellness plans. In the earn segment, participants can earn cryptocurrency through various projects and mentorships. Lastly, the fun component encourages social interaction. Srinivasan's vision is to attract dark talent, those who don't fit into traditional institutions, including writers, artists, athletes, and tech founders. Applications are open, and the initiative promises a community centered on innovation and collaboration. Next, let's talk about Corn, a new Ethereum Layer 2 network that has secured $6.7 million in seed funding, led by Polychain Capital with support from Binance Labs and others. Corn aims to use Bitcoin as a gas token, introducing a hybrid token called BTCN, backed one-to-one by native Bitcoin. This approach seeks to create a balanced ecosystem for users, applications, and liquidity providers, focusing on yield generation. The network's incentive structure, inspired by V-tokenomics, allows Corn stakers to direct yield to their chosen applications, fostering a dynamic app ecosystem. The founders are seasoned DeFi builders with experience in projects like Badger DAO and Slingshot Crypto. Corn is planning a pre-mainnet airdrop for eligible users, especially those who have interacted with partner protocols over the past year. The project aims to be a central hub for liquidity and app integrations, with a community-driven governance model. Interested users can join their community on Telegram and Discord for more information. Moving on, we have a comprehensive guide for startup founders on building a robust social media presence. The article highlights the necessity of a social media strategy to understand audiences, drive growth, and build brands, despite the challenges of shifting algorithms and platform dynamics. Founders are encouraged to set realistic goals, identify their target audience, and measure success through both qualitative and quantitative metrics. The guide suggests focusing on 1 to 2 platforms to maintain quality, rather than spreading resources too thin. Leveraging personal accounts for authenticity and engagement is recommended, as personal voices often resonate more than brand accounts. The framework includes understanding the target audience's preferred platforms and content types, creating valuable content that reflects the founder's unique perspective, and maintaining consistent engagement with followers. Measuring success through engagement metrics and audience sentiment is crucial, along with adapting to social media changes. By following these guidelines, founders can build a meaningful online presence that supports their startup's growth. Lastly, let's delve into the recent large outflows of Bitcoin from the mining pool 1Hash, which have stirred concerns in the crypto market. On January 17, 2023, a transaction of 2,396 BTC was recorded, followed by another on January 19 for 3,336 BTC, with the latter going directly to Binance. These transactions have depleted 1Hash's reserves to zero. The first transaction involved 2,256 BTC sent to a specific address, which then distributed the funds to 2 other addresses before reaching Binance. In total, Binance received 6,595 BTC, including the earlier 2,256 BTC. This trend of miners transferring Bitcoin to exchanges suggests increased selling pressure, as miners face financial challenges and record low revenues. The situation raises the possibility of a miner capitulation event, potentially impacting Bitcoin's price. The overall volatility in the crypto market has been heightened by recent events, including the fallout from the FTX collapse. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the crypto universe.